Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going riding. Like every other video, we're going riding. I'm gonna call this the first ride of 2020. I got the bike loader up and back, and we're headed to the sand pit. I don't really know what to call it because we ride a bunch of sand pits. But we're headed to one that's been in a couple videos. It's pretty dope. Hopefully Brandon and Ian meet us there. I got the drone all loaded up, ready to get some sick shots. But like always, if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe, because like I've said in the last couple videos, 95% of you guys are unsubscribed, but that's enough of me talking. Let's go get gas and let's head to the sand pit. Let's see you boys kick it.
In the garage today either.
E-start. E-start, baby. That looks sketchy.
It's fun. It's definitely fun.
It's too cool to do that.
It's fun if you believe in yourself.
Dude, I didn't believe, like, I kept telling myself I didn't want to hit it because I didn't want to wreck right off the bat.
We look like pros. Jeans, hoodie.
And the fucking dispatcher.
When was that? 2 years ago?
Yeah, I think that was 2. And the dispatcher's yelling at me like, how the fuck don't you know where you are? I'm like, I don't fucking know. I'm like, I don't live in Hamden.
2 years ago, if you guys are longtime subscribers, Brandon cut his leg open here. Ian wrapped his leg up with that jacket.
I was wearing green pants.
Makeshift fucking...
Deja vu. Hopefully it doesn't happen today.
Same conditions, a little frozen in the corners.
Yeah.
So I just rode the Cali. Now Brandon's riding my bike, so I'll try and get some clips with him. He's a ripper. He rides super fast, so here he comes. That looks good. Ian? Thoughts?
I like it.
You need one, dude. You look like you were ripping.
The suspension feels looking good. It's definitely higher up.
I think camera.
I think his suspension's better than mine.
Dude, that bike just floats.
It feels really good.
It doesn't feel like you're going fast, right?
Oh.
Just feels like you're cruising, but you're moving.
Yeah. It's smooth.
You're like, oh, I'm in third gear. Nope, you're in fucking fourth, almost in fifth.
It makes me want to get mine redone, but I don't want to pay for it. What's the thing is, dude, I don't know what it's supposed to feel like.
Same.
That's the hardest part.
I don't know how anybody knows what it's supposed to feel like.
Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some drone shots, some sandpit crap. Check out these last few comments. Thanks to these guys for commenting. Be like these guys, comment down below and let me know what you thought. And I think that's about it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Comment, like, subscribe. Deuces.